All right, Matt, thanks. Top of the news at 5 o'clock. The woman accused of driving drunk and killing a deputy says it's his own fault that he died. Deputy Christopher Taylor's family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against that driver, 30-year-old Cassandra Smith. Smith responded to the suit saying she did nothing wrong. Wink News reporter Claire Galt live at the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office this afternoon. Claire, that answer must have Deputy Taylor's family upset.
The attorney told me that some days are harder than other days for the Taylor family. Wednesday was one of those harder days. It's when Cassandra Smith's attorney filed her response to the Taylor family's wrongful death lawsuit. The court filing said Taylor's actions were negligent and careless. The family of Charlotte County Deputy Christopher Taylor will never again see this smile.
They had a future.
Never feel the joy of seeing their boy move up in the ranks.
He was so young.
Only 23 years old, his whole life ahead of him.
He was going to get married, you know.
The Taylor family can't bring Chris back, but they can hold the person they say caused his death accountable. So their attorney, Carlos Cavanago, filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Cassandra Smith.
For the pain and suffering encountered by Richard Taylor for the loss of his son.
Taylor was performing a traffic stop on 75 North in November when crash investigators say Smith, while drunk, crossed 3 lanes of traffic and killed the deputy. She's charged with DUI manslaughter, being held in jail without bond until trial. But that didn't stop Smith's lawyer from responding to the wrongful death lawsuit.
Very shocking. It's very difficult.
This court document filed from Smith's attorney says the sole cause of the dissident's injuries, if any, was the own efficient negligence of the dissident or some third party. In essence, the deputy's own carelessness and negligence caused his death. Cavanago told me the response is so difficult for the family to take in, they can't bring themselves to talk about it. He spoke with me on their behalf.
They're just extremely hurt. But with time, we're going to get through this. And we want the world to know that Deputy Taylor was an outstanding deputy. His supervisors loved him. He was on his way to becoming a rock star of a deputy. He loved his community and he loved protecting and serving other people.
The Taylor family attorney told me that the lawsuit is not about money. It is not even about revenge. It's about doing anything, the only thing they can, to bring justice to Christopher Taylor's name. Now, I reached out to the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office about Smith's response, and they told me they loved Chris, and they've said everything they can about him. Live at the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, Claire Galt, Wink News.